second grade. We're going to have a math lesson today practicing our two-step subtraction word problems within 100. And to get started, we've got Luis, who has baked a total of 100 cookies. He gave away 29 cookies at a picnic and 36 cookies after school. How many cookies does he have left? Well, let's take a look at what the problem is telling us. We have a total of 100 cookies. He gave away 29 cookies, so that's telling me subtraction. And he gave away 36 cookies after school. That is, again, more subtraction. So we have 100 cookies. He gives 29 cookies away to picnic, 36 cookies after school. We don't know how many cookies he has left. So let's do some math. Okay, we need to add together the two groups of cookies that he gave away to his friends after school and at a picnic. So we are given two numbers, 29 and 36. Now, the story problem tells us that he gave those cookies away, but because we're wanting to add together and get a total number of cookies he gave away, we're going to add those two numbers together. So, 9 plus 6 is 15. 20 plus 30 is 50. Now we can add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So, we know that Luis gave away 65 cookies. Now, he had a total of 100. He gave away 65. How many does he have left? We're going to have to subtract, mathematicians. Here we go. We have 100. He gives away 65. And so here we go. Can I subtract 5 from 0? I cannot. I'm going to have to do an exchange. So I go to the tens column. Can I take any number away from 0? I cannot. So I'm going to have to go to the hundreds column. If I take 100 away from 100, I'm left with 0. I'm going to exchange that 100 for 10 sets of 10, which gives me 10. And I'm still needing to get more into my ones column, so I need to do another exchange. I'm going to take one set of 10 away, which leaves me with 9 sets of 10. And I will add one set of 10 to the ones column. 0 plus 10 is 10. Now I'm ready to subtract. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Have I answered my question? How many cookies does he have left? He has 35 cookies left. Now, important, we always have to label the unit of our story problems. So, 35 cookies left. If I put 35, my answer would be wrong because it is not labeled. So, 35 cookies left. Okay, now, we're going to do this another way just to check our work and make sure we have the correct answer. All right. So, we have the place value method. We're going to do the hundreds, tens, and ones way. My number I start with is one set of 100. I'm going to start with one set of 100, and I'm going to take away what number? I'm going to take away 65 because I've already added these two numbers together. 29 plus 36 equals 65. So I need to take away the cookies that he gave away. to get the total numbers of cookies left. Here we go. I cannot take 5 away from 0. I have to borrow from the hundreds and move it across to the 10 section. So I have 10 sets of 10. Now, can I subtract? Not yet. I cannot take 5 away from 0. I have to move a 10 across to the 1 section. Now I have to have 10 ones. Okay, I've got 10 ones, and I've got my 10 crossed out. That didn't line up very well, did it? Okay, can I take 5 away from 10? Absolutely. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm left with 5 ones, and I'm going to subtract 6 sets of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm left with 3 sets of 10. My answer in my place value chart matches my answer in my vertical algorithm. So I know that my calculations are correct and I have solved the math problem correctly. Nice job, friends. Way to be a learner.